welcome to What's My Recipe? Starring Peach Betty. Let's visit the home of Peach and see who needs her help this week.
Sue from Taylor, Michigan. I was just wondering if you could help me find a recipe for a cake that I used to eat back in the day. When I was younger, we used to go spend the whole summer at my grandma's in Tennessee, and our friend Lauranne lived down the road, and we used to go down there, and she would bake the best chocolate cake, and I remember she put a cup of hot coffee in it, and then she had a really luscious chocolate icing that she put on top of it too. So if you could help me find that recipe, that would be really great. Thanks!
Well, Sue, the recipe you're searching for comes from the Hershey's Cocoa Company, and here is how you create that caffeinated delight. First, allowing children in the kitchen is good for their development and gives you a boost of confidence. Peach starts by adding white sugar to her eggs and vegetable oil, then adds vanilla extract for flavor. Once all the ingredients are combined, she then pours in the flour, cocoa, baking powder, and salt. It's important to sift these ingredients to avoid clumps and to entertain Junior. A soured milk is poured in, followed by the remaining flour mixture. It's now time for that cup of joe. It's always good to taste test. Peach chooses a well-greased Fire King dish to pour her silky batter into. One more taste before it's off to the oven. It's time to bake and clean the dishes. Look at that. Springs back from a touch. Perfect. Let's make some frosting. Simply add icing sugar to soften butter and whip until light as a cloud. Then add the Java. Wonderful. Peach cascades this velvety frosting over a slightly warm cake. It's so rich. Wait, don't we get a taste? That's better. No crumbs wasted. Delicious. Sue, we really hope this is as good as you remember it. If you have a recipe you missed from your childhood, send Peach Betty an email. You might be the next one on What's My Recipe?